If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam for your car, the SAVUSCAM 4K Dash Cam might be exactly what you need. This device records in ultra-clear 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, giving you complete coverage while driving. It comes with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring that you capture more of the road around you. One of its standout features is built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to connect the dash cam to your smartphone and easily view or download recordings through an app. The included 64GB SD card means you can start using it right away without any extra purchases. It also features Night Vision and WDR technology, so you get clear footage even in low light conditions. With loop recording, the camera automatically overwrites old footage, and the G sensor ensures that important clips, like accidents, are securely saved. Overall, the SAVUSCAM Dash Cam is a great choice for anyone who wants safety, convenience, and peace of mind on the road.